Hey guys, it's Michelle Denham here, your charming chappy with Bob Conover with Conover AC and Heating. He is my preferred go-to guy for anything with the AC. Today we are doing some preventative maintenance. We have an appraiser coming out. We want to make sure that this AC unit is good and working well, which it is, and Bob is an honest guy. So I'm going to ask him real quick, what is some of the stuff for you guys as homeowners, what you need to do on a regular basis for maintenance? Bob, can you share with us?
Number one, change your filters monthly. Of course, if those have one, they're getting a new one. And the other thing is, you have a drain line here. Get that in there. You can pour some vinegar through there. Never bleach. And that'll, every 1 to 3 months, and that'll help keep it clear.
And how much vinegar should we pour?
About a quarter cup.
A quarter cup of vinegar for regular maintenance? Okay.
Yep. And if this ever fills with water, that's going to raise up and shut down your system. That's an easy fix. You can just vacuum it out with the vacuum line. Otherwise, you'll be calling us. We'll be doing that for you.
Okay. And how often do you recommend that we do our yearly maintenance on this for
Should be once a year.
Okay.
You can do more or less, but at least do once a year.
All right, great. Thank you. If you have any more questions, make sure you reach out to Bob. I'll have his information down below, or reach out to me and I'll get you in contact with him. Thanks.